Reporting to you live from Tupac Shakur Drive. I'm in the middle of Nemo/Charlotte, and it is bad. It's so bad, I gotta sit on a ladder just to give you this report. It is dangerous out here, guys. Stay off the road, stay inside. I'm reporting to you live from Ghetto News. Hit me up later. See you. Hello, this is Kristina Ireland. I'm reporting for you live again from 65 Tupac Shakur Lane. And we are here to see if we can catch any people outside. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, lady. Hi, I'm here from Ghetto News. What's your name?
I am Sally Mae.
Sally Mae, how have you prepared for this storm?
Well, I really didn't prepare for this here weather. My heat is currently turned off. I don't have no food in my refrigerator. I did not prepare for this. I wish they had something set up for us people who didn't really prepare for this. You know what I'm saying? I'm over here shoveling and just trying to build up some heat for my body or something, because I go in the house and it's 20 degrees and below. I'm so sorry to hear that, baby. So you gotta come here. Yeah, you see how far I got. I've been out here for about an hour or so.
You ain't got no help?
No, I wish I knew some neighbors out here. I just moved out here good, and it's really hard out here.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. This is Kristina Ireland, and we are out. This is Kristina Ireland reporting live from 65 Tupac Shakur Lane. We're in the middle of Nemo and Charlotte, and we are looking for more pedestrians to interview, because it is brutal out here. Excuse me, sir.
I guess.
May I talk to you for a moment?
What do you mean? It's kind of cold out here.
Hi, I'm Kristina Ireland, and I'm from Ghetto News. What's your name?
My name is Sam Reynolds.
Sam, how have you prepared yourself for this storm?
Really, I didn't get a chance to prepare. I don't really watch the news, so when it hit, I was just like, yeah, it's just gonna be another storm, and bam, you just gotta let it snow,
Yes.
So.
Do you have anyone to help you shovel or anything?
No, I think I'm just gonna let it melt when it melts. This is, as you can see, it's too much.
Too much, one guy to handle.
Yeah.
Well, I wish you the best, Sam.
All right, thank you.
That was Sam Reynolds, and I'm Kristina Ireland, and I will see you later.